Infantix! Singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello, friends! Today we're going to learn how to write the numbers 1 through 5. And we have all these colors. I'll start using the color blue. This is the color blue. To make the number 1, we will make a stroke down. And now, let's make a smaller stroke on the left side. Look! This is the number 1. I'm going to take the color gray. That's the color gray. To make the number 2, we will make a curve as if it were a question mark. Now, what's missing? Oh, that's right! A line down here. Look! This is the number 2. Now I'm going to choose the color purple. This is the color purple. And to make the number 3, let's start by making a curve. Now what? What's missing? Ah! Another curve down, like this. Look! This is the number 3. To make the number 4, I will use the color pink. This is the color pink. To make the number 4, let's do half a rectangle. Now, what's missing? That's right, a line down, like this. Look, this is the number 4. To make the number 5, we will use the color green. This is the color green. Let's make a line and a curve down like a belly. Oh, but something is missing. I know, a line up here. Look, this is the number 5. All right, friends, I hope you liked it. Kisses, kisses, kisses. See you later.